Hello and welcome to Routine. Routine can be used in two very different scenarios. On one side, it can be used for managing your personal life with tasks, calendars, events, contacts, pages through dedicated screens, which you can see here if you go to Settings and then Menu. You can see Agenda, Calendar, Task, Notes, Journal, Contact Labels. All of those screens are dedicated to the individual personal organization and experience, which you can see here, personal. But today I want to talk about the team experience, which is more about managing data, which is, organizing projects and maybe managing notes as a group of people together. So when you create an organization, which is really entity representing a group of people, you can see here that you can create a new one here, and you can select which organization to configure. Once you have an organization selected, you will have a home, which is basically the same thing as this one. As you can see, if I select it, I've got this one. This is kind of the entry point for your organization. It lists the workspaces, the integrations, etc. What are workspaces? A workspace is a subdivision to group people and information for a specific purpose. So if you go to Settings, again, you select the organization and you go to Workspaces, you will see there is a default workspace. And then you can create other ones. So if you were a company, for instance, it could be maybe a product workspace or maybe a marketing workspace, basically one for each department of your organization. That's one way to do it. You could organize information differently. Then in your organization, you have people. People are invited to join. As you can see, there is one pending invitation, and we've got 2 people already in the organization. Then you can decide to pick some people from your organization and add them to workspaces. So maybe Gaetan is actually working in the marketing department as well, so I'm going to add him. And likewise, I'm going to add him to the product. But if I create maybe a sales department and it doesn't belong there, then the sales is going to remain with only one member, which is myself. So again, create an organization, you invite people to join, and then you can create workspaces for the different department and dispatch to basically grant access to those people to the different workspaces. Then in the workspace, so in one workspace, you can organize data, which is which kind of entities you want to manipulate. By default, every workspace has a page. As you can see, page, which is basically the way to take some notes. So I've created, there is always a home page, which is the default page here, which I've decided to pin to my menu so that I can quickly access it. And in this, I can basically fairly easily create notes, create sub-pages if I wanted to, for, I don't know, plan, whatever. And also, I can create different types to maybe create project management with tickets, projects, or maybe hire people with candidates, job positions, etc. All of that will be covered in different videos to show you how to extend and also integrate data from other services through integrations. So just watch them to learn more about how to organize your team.